Hello, this is our Lingchen TAOS800 new version dental chair. The cushion, we make it longer and wider, total 2 meter long. So it will be very comfortable and cover all kinds of the patients. With the new design operation tray in injection mode. Normally this mode of the operation tray using for the high-end dental units. The dental chair with two unique functions. First one, the suction work by electric. Then your compressor can supply enough air to the delivery syringe and for the handpiece using. The second unique function, let's see, this tube always on the floor, so day by day the suction will collect the debris and some rubbish here cannot be pushed out. So day by day it will be much bacteria and bad smell in clinic. How we solve this problem? We install one vacuum cleaning kill system. Just before the walk-in, turn it on for 5 minutes. It will push all the dirty things out to keep clean of the internal tube and remove the bad smell in the clinic. This dental unit CE ISO approval and all the internal tubes valves are from A quality. A very stable dental unit. This dental unit you can choose with the food options, LED scaler handpiece, and now some dentists they're asking for the built-in electric micro motor, so it will be available too. Intraoral camera with the screen. The food options will help the dentist to finish the work by much easier. Thank you.